Convert the following decimals. Why this number is called decimals? Because we have seen a point is there. Here also a point is there. If in a number that have a point, then this number is called decimals. Into common fractions. Fractions means we shall have to convert, we shall have to write these numbers as here numerator and denominator. We shall have to split the numbers, these decimal numbers, into numerator and denominator. One number will be at numerator and another one at denominator. Then this kind of number is called fractions. Then this is now in decimal forms. Why it is in decimal forms? As we have seen that point is there, here also point is there, here also point is there. If a numbers bears, if a numbers have a point, then this kind of numbers are known as decimals. Now fractions, what kind of number is called fractions? If any number can be expressed as numerator and denominator, then this kind of number is called fractional numbers. Now let us move to the question number A, that is point A. Here in our earlier classes I have already stated that the left hand side of these decimal points is called whole part or integral part, and the right hand side of this decimal point is called fractional part. We have to convert this only fractional part. We shall see only the fractional part. Here fractional part is 8. So we shall have to write like this. Then numerator will be 8. Then we shall count ones 10. Ones 10. That is, we shall have to write like this. Means the place value of 8 is what? 10th. Place value of 8 is what? 10th. Like this. Now another work we have to do is that we have to convert, we have to write this fraction into simplest form. Simplest form means 8 and 10 have common factors. See, this 8 can also be divisible by 2, and this 10 also divisible by 2. So divide this 10 by 2, this 8 by 2, we shall have the simplest form. 8 divided by 2 is 4, then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is our required answer. To convert point 8, after converting point 8 to fraction, we have 4 by 5. Here numerator is 4 and 5 is called denominator. 4 is called numerator and denominator is 5. In the same process, we shall first write the whole number. Here we have whole number is 1. Whole number is 1. Integral part is 1. Then we shall see the fractional part. We shall only see the fractional part. Here fractional part is 0.8. Now place value of 8. We shall have 10th. Place value of 8 is 10. Now 8 place value of 8 is 10 from our place value table. Now this 1 will come as it was. Then 8 by 10. 8 by 10 which we have common factors. That is 8 is also divisible by 2 and 10 is also divisible by 2. You can divide in this same method, or otherwise you can also cut out. If you divide this 8 by 2, we shall have 4. Then divide 10 by 2, 5. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. This is the answer. Here also, left hand side of the decimal point is 1. That is 1 is whole number. Whole number we shall not see. It will come as it was. Now our target, our work is on fractional part. Yes, fractional part. Integral part or fractional part. Yes, we have 66. Now place value of 66. 10 100. 10 100. 10 100. This is 16 divided by 100. Or we can say like this: put 1 in place of points. Then right side, how many numbers we have? 2 numbers. 1 number, 2. 1, 2. So we shall put 2 numbers of zeros. Now 1 will come as it was. Then divide this common factors we have. What is the common factor here? 4. 4 is divisible by 16, and 100 is also divisible by 4. So divide this by 4, divide 100 by 4. How much we will get? 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 100 divided by 4 is what? 25. 4 5 the 20, 2 in hand. 4 2 the 10, 11. 4 2 the 8, 9, 10. This is our required answer. Now here also, this 21 is what? 21 is whole number. We shall not see the whole number, so we shall write how what it was. So 21 1 will come at it was 21. Then point 26. Our work is on point 26. So place value of 26. 10 100. This 100. Then in numerator it will be 26. Is there any common factor between this 26 and 100? Yes. We have divided by common factor is, you can take 2. Common factor 2. Because 26 is divisible by 2 and 100 is also divisible by 2. This 21 will come as it was. Then 26 divided by 2, we shall have 13 divided by 50. Yes, 13 by 50. 21 and 13 by 50. This is our required answer. Here also, we shall not see the whole part. Whole part, integral part will come as it was. That our work is on fractional part. That is, we shall have this 25. Then place value of 25 is 10 100. 100 comes as denominator. Now we have seen it has common factor. Say this 25 is also divisible by 25 and 100 is also divisible by 25. Then this 1 comes. Then 25 divided by 25 is 1. Then 100 divided by 25 is 4. That is 1 and 1 by 4. Here whole part is 0. That is nothing. Whole number is 0. That is nothing. We shall not write this whole number because it is 0. 0 means nothing. Now our fractional part is place value of fractional part is 10 100 1000. That is at denominator we shall write 1000. Why? Once 10 100,000. Once 10 100,000 or 10 100,000, like this. 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Then it has common factors. You can cut it. So 125 divided by 125. This is also divisible by 125. We shall have what? 125 divided by 125, 1. Then 1000 divided by 125, we shall have 8, no? Yes, 8. 1 by 8. You see, 125. This 125 into 8. 8 5 ja 40. 4. 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 what? 20. 2 in hand. 8 1 ja 8 plus 2. 10 means 1000. If we divide this 1000 by 125, we shall get 8. So answer is 1 by 8, like this. Now next, convert the following into decimal fractions. Convert the following into decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. We shall have to write decimal means points. We shall have to write this in decimal, in points. So numerator here we shall have 9. Yes, numerator is 9, denominator is 10. You see, at denominators, if 1, 1, 1, then it is very easy, very simple to convert this fractional part into decimal point. Decimal means point. Decimal means points. We shall have, we shall count at denominator 10. How many zeros are there? Only 1. Then only 1 after only 1 from right hand side. From extreme right we shall count. After one number we shall put points. Here point is there. We have seen point. So this is decimal. If we have points, then it is decimal. If we have points, then it is decimal numbers. Then you can put 0. Here also, as numerator we have 1040. We shall write numerators. Numerator. Then we shall count how many zeros are there? 2. So from the extreme right we shall put the points after 2 numbers. As 0 is, as number of zeros are 2, so we shall count from extreme right 1, 2. After 2 numbers we shall put points. We shall put points. Here 0, 0, 1. You mean 0, 0, 1. In place of 1 we shall put points. In place of 1 we shall put points. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. You think like this. You think like this. 0, 0, 1. We shall count the number of zeros at denominator. Here at the extreme right we have seen 0 is there. This 0 has no meaning. This 0 has no meaning, so we can erase it. Here also numerator is 7 and denominator is 1000. So first we shall write numerator. And where do we put the points? To put the points at numerator, we shall first count the number of zeros. How many number of zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 3. That is, after 3 digits, we shall put point. After 3 digits from the extreme right, that is 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. As number of zeros with 1. Number of zeros with 1 is 3. So we shall count from the extreme right to put point. 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits from the extreme right, we shall put point. You can also write 0 here like this. This is our answer. Convert the following into decimal fraction. Decimal fractions means we have seen point is there, point is there, point is there. If point is there, then we can say that it is in decimal form. It is in decimal form. Decimal means point. So at our conclusion, what we can say that if in a fraction we have denominator 0 with 1, 0 0 with 1, 0 0 0 with 1, I repeat, with 1, then we shall count the number of zeros and we shall put the point from the extreme right, from the extreme right, from the extreme right we shall put the point. I repeat, we shall first write the numerator, then we have 10 40, 10 40, 10 40, numerator is 10 40. Now we have seen that denominator is 100, that is 0 0 with 1, 0 0 with 1, 0 0 with 1. Then we shall count from extreme right, that how many zeros, after how many zeros we have 1, after 1 2, after 2 digits we shall have point. So at the extreme right, this 0 is meaningless.